So Corey and Emily are going to do a scene, and you have to make all the sound effects for the scene.
Great.
So again, if I open the door, and if I slammed it, perfect! Give it up for her! And then the next one, say your name.
Maria.
Maria. I just met her.
It's been done.
Huh?
It's been done.
I know I'm not original.
She needs to come and sit there. Here. Yeah. It's okay.
Yay! Alright, so you guys ready for this? Ready.
Yes. We just need a suggestion of an activity, something that you like to do for fun on the weekend.
Something not too physical, guys.
Right. Or whichever one.
Not jogging.
Yeah.
Watching TV.
Watching TV. All right. We are going to see the scene in 3, 2, 1. It's racing.
Yeah, I started up the race, and you know it's NASCAR Sunday Fun Day.
It looks like somebody just exploded.
Oh man, just going all over the track, man.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, come on, sit down. Look.
Yeah, no, I got the snacks. I got a huge bag of Doritos.
Oh, perfect.
Those are really fresh.
They are fresh.
Yeah. And,
That's awesome.
I got this cheese whiz for me. You know how I like spreadable stuff.
I know.
Yeah. And of course, I got some chicken and a biscuit right here.
Oh, chicken and biscuit. That stuff's
Yeah.
great.
This box must be really old. Wow. All right.
Well, looks like we're set up for snacks. Want a beer?
Sure. That was a really good beer, man.
There you go.
Oh, thank you.
Here, I'll take your empty.
Oh, thanks. Explosion just like on the TV. That's great.
Just wanted to show you how manly I am. And smart, too.
Yeah.
Well, I guess one more beer for me won't be fine.
Oh, no.
Don't want to drink it too fast.
Now. Not too fast.
That's right.
Man, I love this chicken and a biscuit and cheese whiz. Cheese whiz.
That's a lot of cheese whiz.
So I like mouths of cheese whiz.
Let me see if I can just get some of that off there for you.
That was impressive. Yeah.
Wow. Kind of turned on a little by your cheese whiz and chicken and a biscuit. Stuffing of the face there.
It's my favorite. This is what I like to do after I've eaten all my crackers. I like to turn my head up and turn the bottle up.
Janine, that's so dangerous. Well, I really can't clear your air. Let's see what we can get here. I'll just push a little bit off right on your shirt.
Thank you. That's all right. I got plenty more crackers that I can just.
Like I was saying, that's really dangerous with the Whippets thing.
Oh.
Because you know kids are dying all over the place.
I know.
I don't know if that comes from Cheese Whiz, but
That's all right. Oh, look, the race is back on.
oh, look at that! Yeah, they got it started back out from caution.
Yeah, that's right.
And it's really cool to see them fly by.
Seductive car.
Every time they ride by, it makes a really loud noise.
Right up our house. I'm so
Well, we are right next to the Motor Speedway.
We are, yeah.
Hey, what's that sound outside? Is that a helicopter?
Boy, are we being raided? Wait, you didn't do that.
I told you not to use whippets. This is just as much for you as it is for me. All right?
Fine.
It's a gateway drug.
I understand.
It leads to Velveeta use. And then, jeez, it, the cops.
No!
Oh,
So many doors he has to break down!
that
This
trash
is a whippet raid.
No! Do you have a warrant?
Yeah, right here.
That's a big warrant! Oh my god! It's like an unfolding map!
Well, let me just break out my glasses. I'm gonna need to turn the light on. Well, that's better, far clearer. This is obviously from Judge McCowan.
Yes, obviously. Sir,
All right,
I
hold
think-
it back up.
I think you have the wrong house.
What you forgot to see is that it says 104 Maple Crest Drive.
Yes. And we are just 104 Maple Drive.
That's right.
Oh.
You've forgotten the crest altogether.
Yes.
So, sir, if you don't mind, see your way out. Oh, that hurts. Well, I think that's enough excitement for one day.
Yeah.
Hit me with that cheese.
Oh,